Hello traders, today I will trade in Pocket Option Broker, and I will tell you how you can trade in Pocket Option. Is it a good platform for binary trading? Let's see in today's video. So guys, today we will be trading in Pocket Option, and you can see that the interface of Pocket Option Broker is very beautiful, and you can see the chart. The OTC market is open. And here I will use an indicator which is the moving average. As you know, I mostly use it, and it helps us a lot in understanding the market. The market is at a support level. We will analyze the market a little and find trades and see what accuracy we get in this broker. And what is its experience? I will share it with you as well. It does not make much difference if you are expert in trading, then you can trade in any broker. Okay, and here I have taken a buy trade of $100. The moving average indicator is giving us an indication that the market can pump from here, and we are waiting for our trade to close. The trade entry is a little late, due to which the trade has been lost. No problem. We find the next trade and analyze the market a little. We will wait a little for a good opportunity, and after the closing of this candle, I will place a trade in the up direction. And here I have placed two trades of $100. Let's wait for the result. And due to the wrong time, our trades have lost. I have changed the timer, and now we will trade again and recover our loss. Here we will take a trade on the next candle after the close of this candle. And after waiting a little here, I have placed trades of $400. The reason for placing the trade is that the market has to go up from here, and you can see that the market is going up according to our analysis. And after the candle closes, you can see that our $400 trade has been won, and we have recovered our loss. we will trade more in it. For this, I select another pair so that we do not trade in the same pair. We also experiment with other pairs. This market is reversing and is stuck at a level. I will analyze the market a little and place a trade in a good place. You have to wait for a good opportunity, and as soon as you get a good trade, place it immediately. Friends, if you are facing difficulties in trading, you can contact me and join my Telegram community and benefit from free signals. I give short signals in my community daily, and those who are beginner traders benefit from it. Apart from this, I also provide you with trading guidance. After this closes here, I will take a trade on the next candle. And after waiting a little, here I have placed a trade of $200 in the up direction, and I am sure that my trade will definitely be a win. The reason for placing the trade is that the market is pumping from this zone in the up direction. So this candle must have gone up and our trade will definitely won. Friends, my experience with Pocket Option Broker is also very good, and if you have knowledge, you can trade in any broker. In this way, our trade has become a win in the best way. For the next trade, we will wait a little and analyze the market. Here I am using a timer, so you have to keep in mind that when a 1-minute candle closes, 1 minute is completed, so the next candle opens at the same time. You have to manage your time accordingly. The Pocket Option Broker is very smooth and designed. We will trade the next one, and here I will wait a little and predict the next candle from the movement of the candle. After waiting a little, I have placed a trade of $200 in the down direction. And I have placed this trade a little early. But the next candle is coming in the down direction. So we wait for the result of the trade. And you can see that I told you that we are using a timer here. So our trade will run according to the timer, and our trade has been done in the best way. The market came down, according to our prediction, and in the last few seconds, our trade was done. After that, we will analyze the next trade, and this red candle, I will take the trade after the closing, and after its closing, I have placed a trade of $200 in the down direction. Let's wait for the results of this trade. The market has reversed, and the moving average indicator is also showing a down direction. So I have placed a trade on this basis, and I hope that this will definitely be a win for us. Friends, no one can be 100% in the market. We make predictions based on our knowledge and take risks based on our predictions. This trade has also become a win in our last seconds. You have seen that the last seconds of the timer are making our trade a win here, which is better for us. For the next trade, I will increase my investment a little and take a trade in a larger amount, and I will end this video soon. I have selected an amount of $500 for the next trade, and now after analyzing it a little, I will place the trade. Here the market has come down from a level, so I will go for the down direction here. And I hope that the market will come down. So I have placed a trade in the down direction. So let's wait for the trade to close. And as you know, the market keeps making error candles, so it may become an error candle. If this error candle is formed, I will use double the amount for the next trade. And this is our trade loss. So immediately I have placed a trade of $1,000 in the up direction. And I hope that this trade will be our win. Both our loss and profit will be made by this trade being a win. The reason for placing this trade is that instead of coming down, the market has closed above a level and buyers have shown an entry and given an indication that buyers will come next. On the basis of which I have placed a trade of $1,000 in the up direction, and our trade is going in the best way. Let's wait for the trade to close, and I am sure that our trade will be a win. And you can see that our trade has been successful and we have recovered our loss and also made a very good profit. Friends, if you want to trade in Pocket Option, I will give you the link in the description. You can create an account with it, deposit in it, and trade. And if you want me to give signals for Pocket Option as well, I will create a separate community for it and give you signals in it. Whatever your opinion is, you can tell me in your comment. Hopefully you learned a lot and enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. See you in the next video. Happy trading!